Hello darkness my old friends, I talk to you again, because I'm a vision softly and I plant a seed in my mind. No, I'm just joke. But in this video I talk one other time to a technique called rolljam. But the last video is not complete. Because first I use the hack RF1, this equipment is very expensive, and I use the new radio for filter the frequency of jammer for reuse the rolling code. This technique it is okay, but I'm not very happy, because the code reused is the same code. If the code is a code of close, I reuse a close code. You understand me? The rolling code technique is good, but I'm not open editing with a closed code. This particularity in the first video in my channel I'm not satisfied me. And my mind search a solution for this. Okay, I have a rolling code device. First I learn of the chip in the remote key I have. This chip is common use and find in the internet is fabricate by microchip HCS301 protocol. I'm find the datasheet and I read. I'm not a expert of encrypt and decrypt. I'm just a guy with the interest of coding microcontroller and I learn electronics. But after some number of tests I find the solution. In this part of my speech I'm not talk of the technique I'm used, because I don't want use this for malicious purpose. I'm limit of a video to prove it works. This is the remote control, look. I'm use this 2 button. Imagine a scenario, the red button is for close your car, and the yellow button is for open the car. This is very important for understand the video of demonstration. This is just a demonstration the remote control and the receiver. I place 2 LED, the one is red, this color is used for the red button. This is close, the other LED is green, this is used for the yellow button, is open. This is for demonstrate the jammer is work. This jammer is used only in my lab, and I use it very low power. For not disturb the car and others' equipment. This device is create for testing my project, for verify the immunity at certain frequencies. First the jammer is off, I press the button red, this button is the close, the LED red is turn on and off. This is to demonstrate that the button I'm going to press is the closing one. Now I open the program Python for the test. Look, the wait message is come on the command line, and now the program wait the signal from remote control. Now start the jammer. The frequencies is 436 MHz, is in the bandwidth of the receiver and use this for jamming the receiver. But the yardstick one is non-affected by jamming, ask in 434 MHz. And I configure this for narrow bandwidth. The program take a few code, is not necessary grab how much code, but I made this for video, is possible take just one code. Now turn off the jammer, and wait a 20 second. The program now change the code in the open one. Look, the green LED turn on. Remember I just press the close button, and now the code open and the green LED turn on. Now is just for redemonstrate the remote control and the close button and the open button, just to show again the difference between closed and open. Is possible to create a realistic attack. Receiving a couple of codes, making believe that the car is closed, relaunching a first closing code, then using the second code to transform it into an open code, and relaunching it later when wants to open the car. But this video is just an example. I didn't create it to make a real attack and just to learn and increase my experience in coding and electronics. Don't ask me for the code. I want to prevent someone may use it improperly to damage the property of others. Thanks for watching the video. Share, like, and subscribe a channel. Bye.